In this video, we're gonna go from this to this, and then this. Okay? So we're gonna be using this lush kinky hair and a rubber band. Okay, so grab your comb, grab your edge control, and let's get started. Hey my loves, if this is the first time you're seeing me, hi, thank you for stopping by. You are absolutely welcome. If it's not your first time, thank you so much for coming back again. Okay, in this video we're going to be making the viral Tanavohu braids. All right, I know you like what you see, right? Okay, so I sectioned my hair into 5 rows, as you can see. I sectioned it into 2 at the back, as you can see, then 3 rows at the front back. Okay, for the back I went further to divide it into 2, and this was because I don't want to waste my time. I don't want anything stressful, and I wanted it really, big. So for the second row I preparted it into 3. Then for the third row I think I went about with 8 or so. Then the fourth row about the same thing. Then the last row was divided into 6, 3 from the right hand side and 3 from the left hand side. Now for this hair, we're going to be making use of that kinky. However, I had this old kinky I used from my previous hair video. I'm going to leave it up here in the card so you can see it. So I have more of those kinky left, and I was like, okay, just to be on a safer side, okay, so my kinky would be enough. Let's make use of the old one. So I attached the old kinky at the root of the hair, okay, the beginning aspect of the hair. Then I went further to attach the new kinky, okay, as you can see. So I attached, like, 2 old extensions. Those are actually very old, by the way, and very short. So I attached 2 extensions at the roots, braiding from the root, and then I added extra 2 new kinky to finish up the braids. Okay, so that was how I was able to achieve this. So if you want to do yours, I would advise you get the big pack of kinky, because I don't think one would be enough. If you wanted this full and this thick here, one won't be enough. Okay, so get the full one and you'll be covered. Okay, so what you want to do is to braid to the point where you want it to end, and then you kind of just tuck it in gradually. Okay, and kind of cover it in a way. I'm going to show this more in subsequent part of these videos. Okay, now the back of my hair is not the best, honestly, so please don't judge my patterns and all of that. But yeah, we may do with that. Now this is the old kinky which I added already, and this is the first one. Okay, I went ahead to add the second one, and then adding the third kinky, which is the new one, just to give it a bit of thickness. Okay, so at the end of the particular braid, or where you want the length you want to achieve, just go ahead to tie it to secure the ends together, and then you go ahead to seal up, give a little space. Okay, also depends on how you want it to go. I don't advise it should be so far, and you put that in a puff, or yes, I think we're going to be calling it puff for this video. Okay, so that's just basically it. And if you feel like it doesn't really appear as much as it's supposed to, you can just go ahead to adjust it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. No serious thing, but coming out perfectly. Okay, now I'm just going to allow you guys watch this video to the actual end. Feel free to forward this to the particular point you want to see in this video. If you feel like you understand most of this part, please do well to forward. And yep, like if you haven't liked this video up until this point, please subscribe to my channel. I got to realize that a lot of you watch me but are not subscribed to my channel. Like 99% of people watch me but they're not subscribed to my channel. So why? Please do well to give me your subscriptions, okay? It just help me, to help the YouTube algorithm to push out my content and all of that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for engaging. Please leave a comment for me down in the comment section. What hairstyle should I be trying next? Leave your thoughts concerning this hairstyle for me. What do you think about it? Will you be trying it? And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy and stay blessed.